One, two, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, let's start again. 1, 2, tie my shoe. 3, 4, sweep the floor. 5, 6, mix and fix. 7, 8, open the gate. 9, 10, say it again. 1, 2, touch your shoe. 3, 4, jump and roar. 5, 6, do some kicks. 7, 8, twirl like a plate. 9, 10, clap for your friend. 1, 2, peek-a-boo. 3, 4, crawl on the floor. 5, 6, count your chicks. 7, 8, don't be late. 9, 10, wave and grin. 1, 2, say yoo-hoo. 3, 4, knock some more. 5, 6, play with bricks. 7, 8, fill your plate. 9,